name is Payal Sushankar Patil and today is 20 June 2024 and my topic name is data types in Java. In Java, data types specify the type of data that variable can hold. Java data type can be categorized into two main groups. First is primitive data type and the second is reference data type. Data types in a programming define the kind of data that can be stored and manipulated within a program. They determine the operations that can be performed on the data and the way it is stored. Here the main data types commonly used in programming. First is primitive data type. Java provides 8 primitive data types which are divided into 4 categories based on their type of data that can hold. Detailed with example of use cases. First is primitive data type. In that integer description represent whole numbers without a fractional part. Example -10, 0, 42. Use cases continue items, indexing, arrays and loop counters. Then floating point. Description represent real number with a fractional part. Example 3.14 -0.001 2.71828. Use cases scientific calculation, graphic processing and financial computation. Then Boolean. Description represent a value that can be either true or false. Example use cases conditional statement and flags in algorithms. Then character in that description represent a single character. Example in single quotation a comma in single quotation z and 3. Use cases text processing, input validation. Then string. Description represent a sequence of characters. Example double quotation in double quotation hello world, in double quotation 1 2 3 4 5. Use cases storing and manipulating text user input and file paths. Then we will discuss integer types. Byte 8-bit signed the 2's complement integer. Short 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. Int 32-byte signed the 2 complement integer. Long 64-bit signed the 2 complement integer. Floating point types. Floating point types in that float. 32-bit 754 floating point. Double 64-bit and 754 floating point character type. Char 60-bit Unicode character. It can be represent any character from the Unicode character set. Then we will discuss Boolean type. Boolean represent next we will discuss reference data type. Reference data types are used to store reference memory address to object. They do not store the actual data. Instead, they hold reference to where the data is stored in memory. And then reference data type include first class type. These are user-defined type created using the class keyword. Array type. This hold multiple values of a single type, which can be of any data type, including primitive type or other reference type. Next, interface type. This defines a set of methods that a class must implement. Then primitive types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. They hold values directly. Reference type hold references to object and arrays, allowing complex data structure and interactions with the object. Understanding these data types is fundamental in Java programming, as it determines how data is stored, manipulated and used within your programs. Each data type has specific ranges, storage requirements and behaviors, which are crucial for writing efficient and correct Java code. Today we are diving into the world of Java data type. Imagine you are building house. Each part of the house serves a specific purpose, just like how data types in Java help organize and use data in programs. Let's break down the different type of Java